What's up guys, my name is Joe, and in today's video I want to show you the Apple News Plus service that Apple just announced today on their keynote in Cupertino. They announced the Apple Card, which is a credit card. They announced Apple TV Plus. They announced Apple Arcade and the Apple News Plus. This is a magazine service for you. You can browse through 300 plus magazines as of today. So how do you find it? How do you try it out yourself? First, you need to go into your settings and then go into software update and update it to iOS 12.2. Once you've done that, immediately you will see that the news icon has changed. You click on the news, and here in the tabs you will see News Plus. Now once you click on News Plus, you will be prompted up here that you can try it for free for the first month. Now once the free trial is over, it will be $9.99 per month. That's US dollars. And just go and try it out yourself. Now I will be showing you what you can find over here, so you can basically browse the catalog. These are all the current magazines that you can find over here, and there are a lot. So whatever you want is probably over here. If not, I'm pretty sure it will be added throughout time. Now there are a lot of categories. So you have featured, which is basically Apple's featured magazines that they want to push and that is curated by them. Then you have business and finance, then you have cars, entertainment, food, health, hobbies, home and garden, kids and parenting, men's lifestyle, news and politics, outdoors, science and tech, sports, style and beauty, travel, and regional and women's lifestyle. So let's dive in. They actually showed that these magazines can have like video covers, as you can see over here with this magazine, and it's very nice and very unique over here with the Essence. This is actually a magazine too. Once you want to go into a magazine, you just tap on it, and boom, you are in. And there you go, you are browsing the magazine. Over here, if I want to open, I can just open the whole thing, and then this is basically where you can find all the articles. But once you're in an article, you can just read the article. Once you're done, you can just swipe left, and then you go to the next article, and then swipe left, and then swipe left. As you can see, there are advertisements in here. As you can see that these different kind of articles are very customized for the screen. So you have beautiful pictures, you have nice text. It's all, you can see that this is not just a carbon copy of the physical magazine. But is that the state of all of these magazines? Well, I'm sad to say that no. If you look at other magazines, like let's look at this Racer magazine, you can see when you open that it doesn't bring out the nice table of contents like in the previous version. It basically brings out PDFs of the magazine itself, and you can just do it regularly as you would in a magazine. This is not optimized for iOS as of yet, and I'm pretty sure that there are a lot of magazines in there that are not. Now some are. When you see something like this, then this means that it's basically a PDF. But if you see something like this, this means that this is actually optimized for this application. And you click on one and it opens, and it's nice. And it's pretty gorgeous once it works. Now this works with your iPhone, it works with your Mac or Mac OS. It works on iOS and Mac OS basically. So that's it, it's $9.99 a month. I really want to know what you guys think. What's your thoughts on this? Will you be paying $9.99 for a service like this? Do you think there's a need for this? Will this be a nice plus to Apple News? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, there's an iPhone XS giveaway, so don't forget about that. And until my next video, stay safe and hang loose.